All right, guys, are you ready to start e-learning? That's right. Mr. Okamoto's class is going all online. I know you didn't know that, but let's get started with this tutorial video. First things first, though, I know, right? You like the haircut, don't you? You just can't get rid of me. I'm here all the time, every day, with your daily YouTube update. Shout out to my boy Sam for the fresh cut here in the Windy City. Can someone tell me what city I'm talking about?
All right, this is the continuation of the tutorial video. Yes, that is me trying to sing. So let's get started. This is the home page of a 7E student in Google Classrooms. First off, a good tip is that you can order these tiles however you would like. Highly recommended to order the tiles in the order of the hours that you have your classes so you are not confused. So you can switch it however you want. So 7E starts with art, then goes to math, then comes to my class, the best class, of course. And so from then you click, and this is the home screen. All right, it's important to go to classwork. That is where you find today's assignments. So if you click on that, you will go here. And these are your old assignments. Your most current assignments, there are two ways. I repeat, two ways to access them. You can go on the left, right here, and click on today's work, and it will go to it. Or you can just scroll down, and under this tab, it says today's work. Today's work. All right, below today's work, e-learning information, schedule and letter from Miss Rayhan, daily schedule, and the letter to your parents and you about e-learning. And then there's a video about expectations for students. All right, a video and the document of expectations. Going back to today's work, right here, you will be clicking on every day, Sunday, March 15th. All right, first day of school, Monday, March 16th. Okay, then you will go and click on the day of whatever the bell work is. So you are to follow the directions of the order. So first things first, answer the bell work question. All right, right above here, bell work. Oh, look, from 10 years ago. Wow, that's cool. March 15th, 2010. How old were you in 2010? I don't know. Let's see. I was your age. Okay, so if you view the question, bell work. What is the question? What is the color of the sun? Yellow? Maybe red? I need to ask Miss Edliby or Miss Seuss or Miss Short. All right, then you press turn in. Turn it in. Then you go back. And oh, it turns it gray. That means you have completed the question and your attendance is taken. You must 100%, 100% need to turn this in. Otherwise, you will be counted as absent for your class. All right, clicking down further. Oh, watch Mr. O's daily YouTube video. I will be posting a daily YouTube video. And here it is. Oh, Mr. O's morning routine. If you haven't watched it, give it a listen, give it a watch, subscribe, like below. There you go. You're welcome. So then you're going to watch, number 3, the assignment. Today's assignment is going to be watch this YouTube video.
Hi, I'm John Green, and this is
Crash Course World History. We've watched a lot of these before. So, and then there's an accompanying worksheet. You are to fill it out, okay, whatever the host, John Green. All right, make sure to format it if you can correctly and well to give me a break. John Green, what is he talking about? European history. So once you do that, you must turn it in Here. Turn it in. Turn it in. Did I say it again? Do I need to say it again? Turn it in. Please, please, please. Turn it in. Okay?
And that is today's YouTube update from Mr. Okamoto. I am here in Costco, just like a normal Sunday evening, with my sister and her best friend Emily. Say hello, subscribe, like. Remember to check your YouTube update for Mr. Okamoto's social studies lessons.